Hi guys, welcome back. Look what just arrived. I'm so happy. This is the I never know what kit this is, but this is for July, and it's very exciting, and it's very packed. Look, it don't even close. So I'm going to go through what's in the box, and then we'll get to making some cards. So when you open it, she says, you get the little booklet. Well, it's not a booklet, but you can fold it in half. And this one is called Whimsical Wonderland, and it's kit number 69. And it is a Tonic Studios, if you didn't see that or I didn't say that, craft kit. It's a monthly subscription for this one. There are some other craft kits, or not craft kits, but other subscriptions that you can get that are ones that come out like the stamp and dies and things like that. But anyway, so I am going to attempt, as always, to read what's in the kit with you. Because this is the third one, can't talk, every third one you will get a little binder. This is to store your stamps and dies in that come in their little folders. I don't do that way, so I'm going to try and work out what I can use this for. Yeah, not sure yet, but we'll figure it out, and then I will share that with you. So you get an extra binder in this one. So that's handy for a lot of things. I just don't know what I'm doing with it. This is the bag of fun. Now this is very full this month, so exciting. The stamps and dies come like so, which I will show you in a minute. And then the paper. So let's get this out of the way. So let's start with the papers, because that's, for me, is they're not boring, but this is the exciting stuff for me. So you get them in the little wallet, and I tend to leave them in their little wallet as is. And you also get a sticker. Oh, now my cat wants to go out. In with the name of the kit as is. So what I tend to do, you guys have seen this before, I whip that off and I put it on here, and then I know that the papers that are in here are for that kit, and then that way, once I've finished them, then I can do something with the folder as well. That can be used for a number of different things. You can store other paper in that too. So in here we have some very pretty, right, he's trying to get out. Hold on one second. Sorry about that. So always when you stop filming. So I am going to, there's some classic card in here, which is the sort of textured cardstock, and then there's quite a few different specialty cardstocks in here, which is very cool. So these are the classics. So let me turn those over along with this one. Right. So we have the candy red, which is a beautiful red. It's not showing up as red on here. It's more of a pinky red. And then we have, let's see, there's two greens. So there's fern green, which is this beautiful, again, it looks much better in person, but it's like a real Christmassy green. And then we have gingerbread, or ginger pie, and this does look like ginger pie. It's very cool. It's like a burnt, like a ginger colour. Very nice. And then we have spearmint green, which is this beautiful colour. Now I love this sort of red and turquoise, or red and spearmint sort of colours at Christmas. I just think it's such a cool combo of colours. And then we have some blingy stuff. So we have candy stripe. So let's do that one first. So candy stripe, and this has this very cool, like foiled candy stripe, red stripe on it, which is very nice. And then we have silver screen, which is this glitter, and again there's very little, if no, rub off from it, which is just amazing in my eyes, because that stuff gets everywhere. I find it on my husband and he doesn't craft. So yeah. And then this one is Snowbound, which is one of the specialty cardstocks. And this one has, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but on camera I will try and catch it. It's got almost like a, I don't know, it's almost like metal that's been scratched. It's probably the best way to describe it, but it's very pretty and it's very subtle. It's kind of a, I want to say like a very soft pink. Right, the next one will be blingy, so I'm not going to show the whole piece, but this one is the holographic, no, what is this? Oh, Halo, no, Hollow Waves. It's holographic, but it's got like a sort of, it's a silver, I think, but it's holographic. So that's the cardstock. And this is definitely not a under 5-minute video, is it? Anyway, so then we have the stamps and dies, which again come in this little folder, which can go in the binder that you get every 3 kits. And then there's like some details of the stamp club release and some extra discount codes and things like that, so that's handy. And then we have the stamps and dies, which, let's see if I can do this right. So we have the stamps and dies, which are awesome. This is a, what I would say, a gingerbread house kind of Christmassy style. It's very whimsical, which is the name of it, but it's very whimsy and I love it. So you have a number of different pieces here to cut out and layer up and create little houses. And there's a variety of them, and there's also pieces that will, like decorative pieces like this one, that will lay inside this solid piece. So you could have it in 2 shades. So you could have a darker and then a lighter color, or vice versa, and then that just gives extra decoration to your house automatically. You also have some sentiments that will be cut out of the stamp set, which is awesome. I love that. And you have like little gingerbread people and candy canes. What else is there? The windows for the house, the little peppermint stars, trees. There's a few different types of tree, snow for the roof line, different styles of roof line. This is a banner that will fit all the sentiments that are in here. So if I just close that. So in here you have some stamps that will decorate the taller house. You've got sentiments that will die cut out, and then there's some extra decorations that help to the shape of the houses. It helps to decorate extra bits on the side. So when you've put like your doors and windows in, then these pieces will just help to decorate those sort of, that whimsical, the way the house comes out, like so. And then you've got little gingerbread and people again, candy cane, the tree, and I believe that these will cut out, whoops, using some of the dies in here. So your gingerbread shape, you can make him as a die cut piece, or you can use that to die cut the stamped image, as well as like the candy canes. You've got the candy cane here, and then I thought there was a plain candy cane. Or maybe I've got 2. Oh, maybe not. Anyway, and then there's the triangle tree. No, you could probably still use that, because that looks like it's more like a embossed detail on it. So I reckon you could use that for your candy canes in here. So very cool, very whimsy, very, very lovely. I love it. And then we have the box of, the bag of fun. Look, there's loads in here. Right, let me get it out. Right, so we have some Nouveau products. So we have a glitter accents in Fresh Snowfall. I've never used the glitter accent, so this will be fun to use. But it's very glittery, and I'm assuming it makes it look like snow. Or that sort of thing. So I've never used this before, so that'd be really nice to use. Then we have a what is this? Shimmer spray, mica mist, and this one is Pearled Ivy, but I believe there's a couple where you might get one or the other. So let's see. So for the okay, for this one you'll either get Pearled Ivy or Gilded Gold. So I've got the Pearled Ivy, and oh my, whoops, that was loose. It's just beautiful. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up. You can kind of see it there. So pretty. And with this one, with the accent, you either get Fresh Snowfall, which is this one, or you get Aztec Gold. So you'll get one or the other of those. Then we also have a vintage drop, and this is in Gilded Gold, and again this is really pretty, but it is like a vintage gold. I know the camera's not going to pick this up, but it's so pretty, and that is the colour you'll get. Then we have a full-size ink pad again in Acorn Brown, which is just really cool. This, you could use this not only for things like Christmas with like gingerbread people and all that, but you could use this for fall, or anything, you know, bears, whatever, animal critters, you know what I mean. So you get a full size one of them, which is nice, and it's a hybrid ink, which means, let me just read it to make sure. So you can use it with water-based or alcohol, pens, markers, paints, that kind of thing. Awesome. And then we get a glitter marker, which is in Iced Ivy, so it's like a green. This isn't the actual colour, this is more the colour that it'll be, but it's just this beautiful green, sparkly, beautiful. Imagine the green and gold, perfect for Christmas. And then we also have, and this is not open, obviously, and that's not going to work. So this is a paper pad, 6x6, and it is the, just get all that off there, it is Glorious, no, yeah, Glorious Greens. Is that what it says? Yeah, Glorious Greens. I couldn't read that. Getting old. And you have Holly Green, Flourishing Green, Smooth Mint and Emerald Green, and there are 4 colours, 6 of each, 250 GSM, and these are shimmery, shiny. So you get that colour, then look at that, that's beautiful. That's like a, almost like a matte, I'm trying not to blind you as well, that's like a matte green, as opposed to this one which is, whoa, like a mirror. And then we have this one, which is also green. I'm just not picking it up. It looks more champagne on camera, but it is green. But again, that's like a matte finish. That's really pretty. And then we have another mirror. Ooh, it's my desk. In a very bright green. So that is the kit in all its glory. I can't wait to make stuff with this. I'm excited about it. I just can't wait. Some very cool products, like I say, packed full this month with tons of, you know, Nouveau products, the stamps and dies as they always have, and yeah, just such a cool kit. So I will be back and I will share with you what I create with this. I have no idea what I'm going to do yet, but I'll be back. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also trying out this mat in the background. So let me know what you think, because my my Tim Holtz one is a bit glary with my lights, so I thought I'd try something else just for a bit. But let me know if this is better for you guys to see things. And yeah, until next time guys, bye for now, and happy Christmas crafting. Yep, we're in July, we're allowed to say it now. So bye for now.